Okay, let us look for the same animals. This is elephant. Elephant. This one is lion. This one is tiger. Say tiger. This one is, say carabao. Very good. The last one is, say sheep. Sheep. Okay. Wait. And we have pig. 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 Wait lang. Not yet. Di pa natin bilipin. Okay. Where is the pig? Saan ang pig? Pig. The same. Pig. The same. Okay. This one. This one. Oh, this one. Elephant. The same. Elephant. The same. Same picture. Picture. Oh, this one. The same. Next, you have here lion and lion. Lion. Same picture. Same. Same. Lion. Look at here. Lion. Lion. Okay, next. Same picture. Say tiger. Ayun, very good. Tiger. 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 Wait. Tiger. 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 Say tiger. Ayan. Same. Same. Tiger. Next. This one. You have two ships. Two ships. Stop. Two ships. Ship 1. Look at here. Ship 1. Ship 2. Same. Same ship. Tupa. Tupa. Carabao. Same. Carabao. Say same. Carabao. Say it in Tagalog. Kalabaw. Say it now. Kalabaw. Carabao. Very good. Again, elephant. Same. Same elephant. Same. Sabihin natin, same. Same. Elephant 1. Elephant 2. Same. Same. This one. Ship. Ship. Same ship. Same. Same ship. Stop. 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 Good boy. Yes? Stop. 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 Stop crying. Stop. Good boy. Opo. Very good. Stop. Stop. Good boy. Relax. 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 Good boy. Yeah. Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Are you good? Say opo. Very good. Oh, wipe your mouth. Okay, wipe the table. Table, table. Wipe the table. Table, table. Yan. Okay. Stop. Stop. Okay. Stop. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Say yes. Good boy. Ako. Very good. Again. Good boy. Very